Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pack your starter kit. What I like to do in the front two pouches is I like to make small little gifts for the guests when they win prizes during your session. You could also use any discontinued items if you have any. That's a really smart idea for, something different that you want to give them. I also get these Mary Kay gift bags from the Mary Kay events that they host every year. Moving on inside, this is what it looks like from the top. And the first thing I would like to show you is I keep a money bag in here for when you have cash, whenever you're doing the session. I keep the profile cards in here as well as the receipt paper. I have the name cards in here as well as just some extra pens for the guests. Before I forget, I do only keep just a small amount of this receipt paper because I love the app My Customers. It's really easy to just do everything on the app and then send them an email receipt once you're done. Moving on, right next to my money bag, I have just extra trays. And then I also have the placemats, whether you're doing the color as well as just the skincare right next to those. On the side of the bag, I have my washcloths. Now they usually give you these, the disposable facial cloths, but I just really love to just use my own washcloths and then just wash them. As well as my planner. I keep those, so if you end up having a booking, scheduled, or just an extra appointment that you've already made, you can just go ahead and write that down. I have my trays. I usually only keep about 5 to 6 just because I personally don't really host a huge class, but if you guys do, you guys can go ahead and just get more. That's how I have mine set up. We have the trays and just the little sheets to make it easier for you. If you don't have these, you can go ahead and just ask your director or your team leader and they'll be happy to print them out for you. Right next to my trays, I do have my satin hands out here instead of inside my travel bag, just because we do start off with having them wash their hands before, so it's just really accessible. In my travel roll-up bag, I keep both of my combination to oily and normal to dry time-wise sets. In this pouch up here, I keep my color cards, mascara, eyeliner, CC creams, translucent powder, as well as a primer. In this pouch over here, I have my charcoal mask, my eye makeup remover, my microdermabrasion set, and my satin lips. And in this last pouch, I keep makeup sponges, ice sponges, any cotton balls for the eye makeup remover, as well as mascara brushes. Last two things that I keep in here is the catalog of the season as well as the flip chart that they give you. Thanks for watching, you guys. So this is how I set up my starter kit. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.